Hello and welcome everyone. In this day 40 learning, we are going to be learning about sets and disjoint sets, right? So we all would have come across sets in our mathematics or high school learnings. So let's understand how we can have a data structure or representation in computer format, right? So JavaScript already has a set method or a useful data type for set, but let's understand how we can design sets also, right? So first thing is a simple set. So set is collection of unique elements, collection of unique elements, right? So let's say we have an array 1 2 3 1 3 and 4 and 4. Let's say once we convert this to set, this will become 1 2 3 and 4. The duplicate elements are removed, these 3 and this one, these will be cut out, right? So that's about set. Next is we also have a simple set data type in JavaScript where we can add common, we can do common operations. uh, so operations that we can do here is delete, check as number or size, and such things we can do, right? So yeah, few useful examples of a set uh, is where set data type can be really useful is finding duplicates or deleting duplicates, like we already saw. And next is union of two sets. Union of two sets is nothing but, let's say we have two sets, we merge them. Let's say for example a is equals to 1 2 3, 1 2 3, b is equals to 3 4. A union b should give us 1 2 3 4 5, right? So something like this. And intersection between two sets, so let's say we have a as 1 2 3 4 and b as, let's say, 4 5. So the result of this one would be a intersection b will be 4. 4 is a common element, right? So that's one thing. And difference between two sets, like for example, two sets, there can be many other examples as well. Okay, so let's jump into the JSBin editor and let's go through the code snippet for this one. Okay, so here I have a basic abstract data type of set, uh, which is a simple class. I have named it a simple set, and this will take in items and it will be fed into this data, right? And with add method, this add method would check if there are any duplicates and then pushes into the data array that we have in this class. Delete value if there exists a value, then we remove it, else we filter doesn't do anything. Checks if the value is there, size returns the length of the array and values um, in a component, right? So yeah, so that's about a simple set data type. I will move on to the next topic, which is disjoint sets or union find ADT, abstract data type. Okay, so disjoint set is a collection of groups of sets where no element appear more than once. Like for example, let's say there is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, so this is an example of disjoint set. So the few key operations that happen here is, so let's say we have union of all of these disjoint sets, which would give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? So this would be the union. And there can also be another method of find. So find, let's say we have these set of sets. Let's say we ask for uh, find 3, then it should return 1. Let's say this as a parent. Once we merge it, so I should have ideally placed this here, where let's say we have find method on this set gives 1. Let's say if this is a parent, this would be taken as a value of -1, and this can be assigned as -1 in an array representation. We will look at it. So let's say uh, -1, let's say we have all of these elements. Let's say we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 2, 1 is -1, 2 is under 1, 1, 4 is -1. Let's say we also add 8 here for understanding sake. So 8 will be under 4, 4, 6, and let's say we add in 10, 11, 11, 18, and 13, something like this, or 19. So they also will be included, just for example purpose. 6 and 1, -1 are parents to itself, right? So that's representation in array. So yeah, find method of 3 should return us 1, which means it is part of set 1. Let's call this set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. Set 4, so there should be 4 parent or leader values here, as you see, right? So this is part of S1, this is part of S2, S3, and S4, right? So these are two useful functions that we can have. So let's look at JSPin and let's understand how these are done, right? So let me switch to JSPin. Okay, so I have written few operations that we are performing in this class of disjoint set. So there are two arrays, parent and rank. This signifies uh, the given set of values, are they an individual set or they belong to a different set. Like there might be parent of uh, 1, 0 or 2 in for this set, and 3 for this set, and 6 for this set, right? So what let's look at this driver code here. So initially we create a disjoint set of 8 elements. Then we union find union 0 and 1, 1 and 2, which makes this set here. So initially all of them will be um, like 0 1. So the parent will be of an array of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the rank will be of zeros, zeros, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So there will be these set of values. So once we have union method here, it will find the parent for this value, and union of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Let's look at it. So 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Okay, so we might also need to have a 0 value here and a 0 here. Union of 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. These are two lines which makes up 0 1 2 as a set. So what happens here is the in the union method, as we see here, the union method here, uh, 0 and 1 and 1 and 2. So in the union method, it firstly checks if the value of 0, initially the find method returns the parent of x. Parent of 0 would be the value itself, since initially it's its own parent, or they are all individual sets. If that's the case, uh, then we simply return the value itself. So 0 and 1. So we use this if block to assign the parent such that the highest value 0 is less than 1. Then we assign 0 to 1 as the parent. So now 2 will be the parent at the end of these two operations here, right? So that's the whole idea. And then similarly, these two gets union or merged, and then they form 5 as a parent to this set, right? And 6 and 7 goes the same way, right? So if, let's say, we ask find of 4 here, so this will have an array representation of 5 as its parent in the rank array of the parent array, and then it returns 5 as a parent for this 4 or 3, right? Since it's part of the set 2, which has a parent of 5, right? So that's the whole idea with the find method and the union methods that we have here. Hope you understood this logic. Please do share any doubts or comments that you wish to ask in the comments forum. I would attach this code with the GitHub link to this video description. Please do check it out. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.